Hello everyone. Today I will show you how to verify your Navy Federal card for Apple Pay. Start by unlocking your iPhone and opening the Apple Wallet app. Apple Wallet is the place where all your cards and passes are stored on your device. In the Wallet app, tap the plus sign to add a new card if you have not already done that. Follow the on-screen steps to add your Navy Federal card by scanning it or entering the card details manually. After you add the card, you may see a message that says your card needs to be verified. This is a normal part of the setup. To verify the card, you will need to confirm your identity with Navy Federal. Most of the time, you will get a verification request by text message or inside the Navy Federal mobile app. Depending on your settings, Navy Federal will send a code to your phone number on file. Open the message or app and find the one-time code. Enter that code into the field shown in the Wallet app. When you submit the code, Apple Pay and your Navy Federal card will be linked and ready to use. If you do not receive a code or the verification does not work, you may need to call Navy Federal customer support. They can manually verify the card for you and make sure it is approved for Apple Pay. Thanks for watching.